My name is Robert Drake. I'm from Tennessee. I've been a lineman since 2005, approximately 12 years. I've been a part of the SEC and Fluor team for 3 months. My day starts around 4:30 a.m. I get up and I get ready. Around 5, I'll go down and eat breakfast, get the guys rounded up, and we'll head to the job site around 5:30, get up here at 6. At that time, we'll go over a short briefing of what we plan on doing, get tools loaded, drive out to the job site, such as we did this morning. At that time, we'll go over a more detailed JHA of job-specific hazards and ways we're going to mitigate them.
First and foremost is safety. We want everybody to come down from that rock the way they went up there, including everybody on the ground. So let's be our brother's keeper. Let's not get distracted. Let's do what we do every day. Be safe, do the job we're here for.
Today on this particular project, we have a structure on top of the mountain that's not accessible other than by helicopter. Yesterday, we fought the challenges of pulling the old poles and replacing the old poles with the helicopter. Today, our plan is to long line with this helicopter behind me on top of the mountain and restore the wires that are on the ground. Of course, our plan at the end of the day for me and my team that's going to be long lining up there is ultimately safety and not letting time, pressure, or any distractions get to us. In order to train and prepare for a job like this, especially this particular job, I think it takes not only the training that you've done your entire career, it takes everybody in the team.
I think we work together as a team. I think it helps out that everybody's from a different location, so we all have, different knowledges to share.
The terrain as a whole has proven to be difficult, but we all like challenges. I mean, we're linemen, so we enjoy it. My favorite part of the job is the sense of pride I get from just helping people, especially down here because all the locals are so friendly and so helpful.
Nos sentimos contentos por todo el trabajo que han hecho estos trabajadores. Esto fue descomunal lo que pasó aquí. Yo pensaba que esto duraría años, no los adelantos que han habido ahora con el servicio que nos ha dado este personal.
Makes you feel big when you turn people's lights on, hear people screaming and running around, and I've seen people dancing and fist pumping and whatever.
Like follow up on Justin, we all have families and we all, of course, miss being home. But I think I speak as a whole when we say that we're grateful for the opportunity to come down here. It's once in a lifetime and get to see the different environment and help different people. Overall, today went really well. Production that we had planned to accomplish, we got accomplished. Everything went very smoothly. Communication was on par. Everybody got back to the ground safely and on our way in. So it was definitely a good day. My message to the people of Puerto Rico would be just thanks for such a warm welcome, and all the patience that the locals have is unparalleled. My team is truly honored to be here and take great pride in being able to help Puerto Rico as a whole and restore power.